What's the difference between being fit and being healthy?
That's a great question. So what's the difference?
It's what I get
between
paid for. It's okay. It's the good stuff.
So there's no definitive answer that I can give you. There's no Webster's exact definition of what those two mean. But in general, healthy is referring to an overall well-being, sense of well-being, emotionally, spiritually, physically. Those are things that our overall health means when we talk about healthy. When we talk about fit, you can be talking about somebody who can run a triathlon, weightlifters who are very sport specific or who do the same kind of type of activity on a daily basis. And they look pretty good. You've seen them on the cover of magazines. That doesn't necessarily mean they're overall healthy. There have been plenty of athletes out there who look great, but if you check their blood work, their cholesterol's high, blood pressure may be high, so you don't really know what's going on internally with these folks.
Let's get some exercise into the lives of people here, because the single biggest thing we're talking about here is adding a little exercise. Another graphic, we have the list for you. Believe me, these are all good, but these are simple. I kind of like the first one here, because people always say I should be walking. A pedometer is not a bad way to at least get started. And then maybe even exercising during commercials. It sounds a little silly, but as long as you're moving, that's what we're talking about here again, is that movement idea,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're at a desk job, think about it. You're sitting maybe 7, 8, 9, 10 hours a day at a desk, not moving. There's already actually some studies out there that even if you do exercise and you sit all day, it actually negates the effects of the exercise, which is a little bit scary. And all it really takes is just to get up, like you were mentioning earlier. Get up, go say hi to your neighbor, across the desk there, or the next cubicle over, the next office. Go for a walk during your lunch break.
Standing desk.
A standing desk, absolutely. Anything that gets you up and moving a little bit is going to have a beneficial effect.